Hare Krishna. Hello friends, how are you all doing? I hope you all are doing well. This is Ritendra. I'm teacher of Srimad Bhagavad Gita and today's very special lecture. Today I'm going to talk about particular things actually which actually affect in our life and how to follow certain principle, the certain regulative principle of Bhakti Yoga, Karma Yoga, Sankhya Yoga and also Gyan Yoga. How to obtain the Supreme Personality of Godhead. Lord Krishna has mentioned 5 ways, but how to follow such a ways? Lord Krishna has clearly stated in verse number in chapter number 12. Lord Krishna here clearly stated 5 ways. Actually, I want to make all of you know about the 5 ways to obtain Lord Krishna, and then I will tell all of you about what kind of the qualities we all have required to obtain the Supreme Personality of Godhead. Lord Krishna here clearly stated. Here Krishna stated, but those who worship me, the people who worship me and giving up all their activities upon me, giving up all their activities upon unto me, and being devoted to me without deviation, being devoted to me without any kind of deviation, engage in the devotional services, engage in the devotional services, always meditating upon me, having fixed their minds upon me, O son of Prutha. For them I am the ship deliverer from the ocean of the birth and death. I am the ship deliverer from the ocean of the birth and death. Dear Krishna, make all of us understand about the 5 ways to obtain Lord Krishna and what are certain qualities which we require to obtain the supreme personality of God and Lord Krishna, Madhusudan, Mukunda, Murari, Kesava, Janardana, Govind, Vasudev, Krishna, Gopala. Here, मयव मन अध्यास्तः मयि बुद्धि निवेशस मयि बुद्धि निवेशस निवशिष्यसि मय मयमेव अत उद्धव न संशय अत्व उद्धव न संशय you don't have to give any kind of doubt if you fix your mind upon me. Listen it very carefully. This is the first way to obtain Lord Krishna, Sri Hari, Madhusudan, Mukunda, Murari, Kesava, Janardana, Govind, Vasudev, Kesava, Gopala. Here, Lord Krishna asked to all of us to fix your mind upon me, the Supreme Personality of God, because I am the Supreme Personality of Godhead. Aham Bij Pradapitah. Lord Krishna here stated, Aham Bij Pradapitah. I am the seed giving father of this entire universe. So here Krishna stated, fix your mind upon me and engage all your intelligence in me. Engage your all intelligence upon me. Thus you will live in me always without any doubt. You will surely live in me without any doubt. This is what Krishna stated. Lord Krishna further stated, another way. अथ चित समाधातु न शक्रोषि मयि स्थिरम मयि स्थिरम अथ चित समाधातु. ये कृष्ण क्लियरली स्टेटेड अथ चित समाधातु न शक्रोषि मयि स्थिरम न शक्रोषि मयि स्थिरम अभ्यास योगेन ततो मामशापातु धनंजय माम इच्छापतुम धनंजयम. ये कृष्ण, माय डियर अर्जुन, O winner of wealth, if you can't fix your mind upon me without deviation, if you are unable to fix your mind upon me without any kind of deviation, then follow the regulative principle of Bhakti Yoga. You must have to follow the regulative principle of Bhakti Yoga, and in this way, develop a desire to attain me. This is a second way. In the second way, first way, fix your mind upon me and engage your all intelligence upon me, into me. This is another way. Another way, Lord Krishna stated, fix if you are unable to fix your mind upon me without deviation, then follow the regulative principle of Bhakti Yoga. First way, fix your mind and intelligence upon me. Second one is follow the regulative principle of Bhakti Yoga. And another way, third way, if you can't practice the regulative principle of Bhakti Yoga, if you are unable to do so, then just try to work for me. This is the third way, the work for Lord Krishna. And because by working for me, you will come to me, you will come to get a perfect stage. Another way, if however you are unable to work in this consciousness, my consciousness, Krishna consciousness, then try to act giving up all the result of your activities, all the result of your activities, and try to be self-situated. Try to be self-situated. If you have tried to be self-situated, then you will surely reach to me. This is what Krishna stated. Krishna further stated, Shreyo hi jnana abhyasah janadah dhyanam vishishyate ध्यानत कर्म फल त्यागः ध्यानत कर्म फल त्यागः त्यागचंतिर antaram. Here Krishna further state, if you can't take this practice, then engage yourself in the cultivation of knowledge, gyan yog, cultivation of knowledge. And better than knowledge, however, there is a meditation, and better than meditation, there is a renunciation of the fruit of the action. And for such a renunciation, one can attain the peace of mind. One can attain the peace of mind. This is what Krishna said. Krishna stated in Srimad Bhagavad Gita. First way to fix your mind upon me, engage your intelligence upon me. This is the first way. Second way, follow the regulative principle of Bhakti Yoga. And third way, if you are unable to do so, then what you have to do? You have to follow the regulative principle of Bhakti Yoga, then try to work for Lord Krishna. If you are unable to follow the regulative principle of Bhakti Yoga, then try to work for Krishna. This is the third way. First way is fix your mind and intelligence upon Lord Krishna. Second way, follow the regulative principle of Bhakti Yoga. Third way, to work for Lord Krishna. Fourth way, giving up all the result of your activities. Perform your prescribed duty without any kind of expectation, without keeping any kind of fruitive expectation or desire. And this is third way. Fourth way, then if you are unable to do so, then cultivate a knowledge. If you are able to cultivate a knowledge, then you will surely reach to me. This is what Krishna stated. You will attain the peace of mind, supreme peace of mind. This is what Krishna stated. There are various ways by which Lord Krishna make all of us understand how to be like, how to understand Lord Krishna, how to reach, how to get the supreme abode of Lord Krishna. And in order to obtain the supreme abode of Lord Krishna, what kind of quality we all have required. Krishna here stated, ahimsa satyam krodhas tyaga shantihi peshunam दया भूतेषु लोलुत्वं मार्गवं हीर चापलम तेज समाधृति शौचम द्रोहो नाति मान्यता भवन्ति संपदम देवी अभिजातस्य भारत. Here Krishna stated, अहिंसा सत्यम क्रोधस् त्याग शांति पेशुनम दया भूतेषु लोलुत्वं मार्गवं हीर चापलम तेज समाधृति शौचम द्रोहो नाति मान्यता Pavanti Sampadam Devi Abhijatasya Bharata. In order to obtain me, you have to require certain quality. Ahimsa, without any cause. Devi Sampati we required. Ahimsa, non-violence you have required. Without any cause or with a personal interest. If you are performing violence, then that is called adharma. And in a true sense, the non-violence is a true dharma, and associate with a niskam karma without keeping any kind of expectation. You just have to follow the regulative principle of bhakti, or and try to cultivate a knowledge. You have to perform only and only your prescribed duty without keeping any expectation. Regulative principle of bhakti yoga, and perform your prescribed duty without keeping any kind of expectation. Niskam karma. And you don't have to envy with anyone. You don't have to attract with material things. If you are able to do so, and with a steady mind and steady intelligence, is something like Dukhesu Anuvigdha Manaha, Sukhesu Vigatasva with a Raga Bhaya Krodha Stita Dhir Muni Ruchyate. Here Krishna Vasudeva Madhusudan Mukunda Murari Kesava Janardana Govind, here clearly stated, means Dukhesu Anuvigdha Manaha, Sukhesu Vigatasva with a Raga Bhaya Krodha Stita Dhir Muni Ruchyate. You have to develop steady intelligence. You have to keep yourself equiposed in all conditions, whether success or failure, whether there is happiness or distress, and whether there is auspicious or inauspicious. You don't have to get any kind of deviation. You just have to follow the regulative principle of bhakti. Oh, you have to follow what Lord Krishna stated in chapter number 12. Here Krishna stated what kind of quality you have required to understand me, to obtain my supreme abode. Here Krishna stated, Yasmanano dvijate lokah, lokanano dvijate chayah, arsham arso bhaya mrugatah, sami priya narah. Here Lord Krishna clearly stated, verse number 15, chapter number 12. Here Krishna stated, by whom no one no one is put into difficulty. By whom? No one is put into difficulty, and who is not disturbed by anyone. The particular person, particular my devotee, who is not disturbed by anyone, who is equiposed in happiness and distress, who is equiposed in happiness and distress, fear and anxiety, fear and anxiety. That particular devotee is very dear to me. This is what Krishna stated. What kind of devotee is very dear to me? The particular my devotee, who is no one is put into difficulty. No one is put into difficulty. Yasman no loka dvijate ha, loko no dvijate cha yah. Yasman no dvijate lokah, yasman no dvijate lokah, lokana no dvijate cha yah. Harsha marso bhaya mayo mukto chami priya narah. So my devotee, one who is not put into difficulty, who is not disturbed by anyone, who is not disturbed by anyone, who is equiposed in happiness and distress, fear and anxiety, is very dear to me. That particular devotee is very dear to me. This is what Krishna stated. अनप्रेक्ष श्रुषिद्रक्ष उदासीनो गतव्यथ उदासीनो गतव्यथ सर्वाम सर्व आरंभ परित्यागी यो मद भक्ताम चमी प्रिय यो मद भक्ताम चमी प्रिय नरः. My devotee who is not dependent on any ordinary course of the activities. Lord Krishna here clearly stated, my devotee will never depend on the ordinary course of the activities, and who is very pure expert, without cares and free from all kind of pain, and not striving for the some result, not striving for some result, is very dear to me. That particular devotee is very dear to me. That particular my devotee will definitely get my supreme abode. This is what Krishna said. Krishna further said, "Yo no harsati na dvesati, na sosati na kankasati, subhasu parityajati bhakta mamam chami priya narah." One who neither rejoices nor grieves. Here Krishna further said, one who neither rejoices nor grieves, who neither lament nor desire, who neither lament nor desire, who renounce auspicious, both auspicious and inauspicious things, who renounce both auspicious and inauspicious things. Such a devotee is very dear to me. Such my devotee is very dear to me. This is what Lord Krishna stated. And my devotee, this kind of the particular devotee who who obtained or who acquired certain quality, which is mentioned in these slokas, will surely get my supreme abode, will surely get me. This is what Krishna stated. Krishna further stated, verse number 18th and 19th, chapter number 12. Here Krishna stated, Sama Satru Cha Mitra Tatha Man Apman Yoha. समशत्रुज मित्र तथा मान अपमान योह शीतोष्ण सुख दुखेषु सम संग विवर्जितः शीतोष्ण सुख दुखेषु सम संग विवर्जितः तुल्य निंदा स्तुतिर मुनि संतुष्टो येन केनचित्तः तुल्य निंदा स्तुतिर मुनि संतुष्टो येन केनचित्तः अनिकेत स्थिर मतिर भक्त मामं चमि प्रिय नरः अनिकेत स्थिर मतिर भक्त मामं चमि प्रिय नरः. Here Krishna, Vasudeva, Madhusudan, Mukunda, Murari, Kesava, Janardana, Govind, गोपाला केशवा, ये क्लियरली स्टेटेड. सम शत्रु च मित्र तथा मान अपमान योह शीतोष्ण सुख दुखेषु सम संग विवर्जितः शीतोष्ण सुख दुखेषु सम संग विवर्जितः तुल्य निंदा स्तुतिर मुनि तुल्य निंदा स्तुतिर मुनि संतुष्टो येन केनचित्तः संतुष्टो येन केनचित्तः अनिकेत स्थिर मतिर भक्त मामं चमि प्रिय नरः अनिकेत स्थिर मतिर तुल्य निंदा स्तुतिर मुनि संतुष्टो येन केनचित्तः तुल्य निंदा स्तुतिर मुनि संतुष्टो येन केनचित्तः अनिकेत स्थिर मतिर भक्त मामं चमि प्रिय नरः. ये कृष्णा स्टेटेड अबाउट द क्वालिटी टू ऑब्टेन in order to obtain Lord Krishna. What are the qualities which are required to obtain Lord Krishna? Here Krishna stated, who is equal to friend and enemy, who is equally treating friend and enemy, who is equiposed in honor and dishonor, who is equiposed in honor and dishonor, heat and cold, happiness and distress, fame and infamy, who is always free from the contaminating association, free from the all kind of contaminating association, always silent and satisfied with anything, always silent and satisfied with anything, who doesn't care for any residence, who is fixed in the knowledge, and who is engaged in the devotional service, fixed in the knowledge and engaged in the devotional services, Such a person is very dear to me. This kind of particular devotee is very dear to me. This is what Krishna stated. This is what Vasudeva, Madhusudan, Mukunda, Murari, Kesava, Janardana, Govind, Gopala, Madhava, Madhusudan, Mukunda, Murari stated. These all the qualities which one person has acquired, then that particular person, particular devotee will surely obtain my supreme abode. This is what Krishna, Vasudeva, Madhusudan, Mukunda, Murari, Kesava, Janardana, Govind, Vasudeva, Krishna here clearly mentioned in Srimad Bhagavad Gita. I hope you all can understand. If you are having any questions, any doubt, then please kindly put a comment. Thank you so much. Hare Krishna. Jai Shri Radhe.